Very good morning, everyone. Today is 30 December 2020. We are closing to the end of this 2020. Just moved for today market analysis. Let me share. Okay. This is the US 30 international market. Because international market having some impact on our Indian market too. That's why I always love to share this. Just see, market try to reach the high, but somehow it backed. Okay, it's not interested. Market is not interested to move, and mostly in US there is lots of holiday time right now. Okay, and that's why mostly market having less volume in upcoming 1 to 2 days. I am expecting. Okay, so market is unable to break the high. Okay, but overally we can say market is in uptrend. You can say this. If you no, just a moment. Okay, you can see that market is in really uptrend. Okay, so that better try for buy opportunity. Okay, let's check today opportunity. What are the opportunity we have? I have find a stock Bharatiya Bharat Petrol, right? Okay, BPCL. In BPCL, I am expecting good move today, either maybe upside or downside. Okay, as index is positive, then there is most probably market can go up. If market is able to break this price 385.85. Okay, this is a breakout setup, so always planned, like when market price move from up down to up. Okay, then you need to take enter. Okay, you need to take enter at 385.85 with a target of 389.55 and with a stop loss of 383.7. Okay, market need to open in this range, then once started it breaking the price, then you can take enter. If price falling from top to button, no, you no need to take enter. Once let it be break down stable here, or let it be break down and start giving up move, then you can take enter. Okay, this is purely breakout strategy. That's why BPCL, you can trade with this price buy side, or in sell side. I'm expecting if it able to break 377, then it can come to 373. SBI Life trading at all-time high mostly. Again, there is probability if able to break the high of 909.5, then it can move to 918.65 with a stop loss of 904. You can trade. In Bharati Airtel, actually there is two things possible in Bharati Airtel. It's purely in uptrend. Okay, there is a buy setup also, but somehow I feel that it's maybe chance of retracement. Okay, this is, you can see two times take support here. Okay, and there is a maximum volume, financial institution volume mostly at this price before. So if somehow market turn negative today, then there is a probability of execution of this trade. You can take enter sell trade at 514.8. Okay, with a target of 510.35 and with a stop loss of 517.5. Then come to the reversal trade setup. These are my reversal trade setup for today. Okay, this is in Hinduni Lever. You can take enter if price reaching to this level 2361 to 2365, then you can take enter. Okay, lower will be stop loss, then you can expect 1 or 2 3 risk reward. Okay, minimum try to take 1:2, not less than that. In Infi also there is a very wonderful opportunity. It's a very strong support zone. You can check that. This is a very strong support zone. Every time market came here and unable to come down. Okay, so much lots of supply here. so that you can take enter once again from this price 1239 to 1240. Just a matter of 1 or 2 rupee you can take enter. Okay, and there is a probability of making profit like 1:3, 1:4, like this, huge probability. Then ITC basically move very less, as price stock price is very less, but this is a buy zone, you can take enter. Okay, this is a buy zone, you can take enter. Here probability is little bit less, like risk reward is less, 1:1, 1:2 maximum you can expect. Okay, I'm sharing a different type of trade set of analysis because I just make you know about how people are analyzing the market. Okay, how professional trader do everyday work, do everyday analysis. Okay, the main purpose of that to show you exactly you can understand the market. You need to understand the demand and supply. You need to understand where institutional trader taking enter. Mainly institutional are initial investor, then retailer are the growing investor. Once market started moving, then retailer take in. But you need to think on the point of view of institutional, then you can make huge money with a less risk. Then come to the State Bank of India. State Bank of India, yes, there is a again buy opportunity here. Continuously, this is in trending. Again, you can take as with a small stop loss. Okay, with a stop loss of just 10 to 30 paisa, you can take enter. With a this is, you can take this as low as stop loss, no problem. Okay, then it will be around 70 paisa stop loss, but you can take enter here, and there is a probability of moving price can move. Okay, from it probably can come here, but it can move like this. Okay, there is a high probability of making good profit. Then in HDFC Bank, there is a entry setup. This is a very reversal entry. If price is coming here, then you can enter around 1422, 1422. Just understand these are the reversal setups. If market reaching this price, then you can take enter. These are not breakout setup. Just imagine market open below of this price, then no use of this, इसका कोई यूज ही नहीं है. मार्केट बेसिकली इससे ऊपर ओपन होना चाहिए, नहीं तो इसका रेंज में ओपन होना चाहिए. देन मार्केट नीड टू कम हियर एंड सस्टेन, और यू कैन टेक एट दिस प्राइस, एनी प्राइस यू विल गेट, देन यू कैन टेक एंटर विथ स्ट्रिक्ट स्टॉप लॉस. इसका जो लो होगा यू नीड टू यूज एट लाइक स्टॉप लॉस. देन आईसीआईसीआई में मेरे हिसाब से ये भी बहुत बढ़िया अपॉर्चुनिटी है. इफ प्राइस 520 और 518 के अंदर आता है, देन यू कैन टेक एंटर. लो विल बी स्टॉप लॉस एंड रिटर्न विल बी 1:2 मिनिमम. बिना 1:2 का ट्रेड ही करना नहीं चाहिए. ओके, फॉर लॉन्ग रन. ओके, दैट्स इट. एंड you can see this is the bank nifty chart. Okay, but once market open today, then scenario may be different. There will be chance of fall in price. Okay, then it can go move. Okay, thank you. Bye bye for watching today analysis.